This is the beginning. 11412. Original cabinets, no doors. Fireplace. Doors ready for the process to begin, but in no hurry. Mental note. Here we go. Stage 2. Step 2. Working on. Come around here. Darkened under there. No glaze yet. Step 2. This is the door. First coat. One more to go. Two more over there. The glazing process, step 3, has been applied. As you can see, a nice color variation. Then we'll put step 4, put the shine on it. So this is step 2. 2 coats ready for step 3 to create that beautiful wood finish. Fine looking job. Doors and drawers ready for glaze. Final step, which will happen at 11 o'clock tonight. Then 24 hours to dry. Replace hardware, hang the doors. Bang. Okay. This here is the product I was using. Rust-Oleum cabinet transformation. I give it a 10. Great stuff. It's a 4-step process, but it's good stuff. Right here, step 1, the deglosser. You rub this down, so you wash down your doors. And that takes off all the gloss on your old cabinets. Then right here you have your color. So when you go buy this product, make sure you pick the color you want. So the person that's going to mix it, they can do that for you. 'Cause I almost walked out of the store without mixing my product. I would have had a primer, or a base coat. So you choose a color and they pull out the gallon, they mix it for you. This one does about 100 square feet. This is a larger box. So then after you degloss, clean your kit, cleans it really well. You'll notice a difference right away. And then you wait a while till that dries and you apply this color. You just brush everything on and always brush with the grain. That's a drying process, a few hours. And you at least 2 to 4 hours, I would say. And then you move on here to the glaze, step 3. And what the glaze does, it gives you, it adds some, further like laminates and things like that don't have a natural wood grain. This adds that. That's why if you notice it says optional after, you can't see it really well, but after step 3, and the reason being because of the other materials that you can use this on without wood grain, it gives you that look. Then when it's all done, that's an 8-hour drying process. Then you put on step 4, the protective top coat. It's like a urethane. It's a water-based, milky kind of product, and it dries clear. And then it comes with a nice DVD to show you how to do it. So I just gave you a quick rundown, but this is a great product. Works really well. And you saw the beginning of my steps in the video, and this is the final outcome. So it really looks nice. So I highly recommend this product. It's a good one.